English together.
My friends.
By English together.
Chapter 1.
This is Tom. He is carrying a backpack and looking around. He has come to New York to study. Hey, Tom, what are you doing?
I am looking for my friend Emily. She said she would wait for me here.
Alex, I can't believe Tom is finally coming to New York. I haven't seen him in years.
That's awesome. I can't wait to meet him. Is he your friend from when you were young?
Yeah, Tom and I were neighbors. We spent every day together as kids. I used to take care of him. And we had so many adventures. I can't wait to meet him.
As they chat, Tom walks towards them, looking a little tired but excited.
Tom, over here.
Hi, Emily. It's been so long.
Welcome to New York, Tom. I'm so glad you're here.
Thanks, Emily. It's good to see you.
Tom, this is Alex. He's going to be our flatmate too.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Hey, Tom. Great to finally meet you. Emily has told me so much about you.
Likewise, Alex. I'm looking forward to getting to know you.
You'll love living with us, Tom. It'll be just like old times.
I'm sure it will be. Thanks for inviting me to join you guys. I couldn't have asked for better flatmates.
Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Tom, how was your flight? Did everything go well?
Yeah, the flight was long. But it went smoothly. I'm just happy to be here.
Get ready, Tom. New York City has a lot to offer. You'll love it.
I've always dreamed of living here. The energy and opportunities are exciting.
You'll enjoy it, Tom. We'll show you the best places and help you settle in.
Thanks, Emily. I appreciate your support and attention.
I'll also introduce our flatmate, Maya, to you. She is a beautiful and creative girl. I'm sure you two will be good friends.
We're going to have a great time, Tom. We'll explore, try new things, and make lasting memories.
I'm excited, but I'm also a bit nervous about this new chapter. It's a big change.
Change can be scary, but it's a chance to grow. We're here for you every step of the way.
Absolutely, Tom. We're a team now, and we'll support each other through any challenges.
We will continue to watch the story of Tom and his friends next time. Before we go, let's review some useful phrases and sentences they used today.
Hi, Emily. It's been so long.
Welcome to New York, Tom. I'm so glad you're here. It's good to see you.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
I'm looking forward to getting to know you.
We're here for you every step of the way.
If you like our videos, please give us a like and share them with your friends. We put a lot of effort into making them. And remember to subscribe to us for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.